Hello. So today I'm going to demonstrate a code converter that I built on OpenAI's API. I used their quick start, which you can find. I'll put a link in the notes here, and I'll also put a link to the GitHub where I have my form. Anyways, all I have to do is type on, and then for the convert programming language, let's say C++. So I want to convert a Python function to C++. Just nice, real simple. Add two numbers. Type new code. There. Indent for some reason, but that's basically what I wanted. Int add two nums. Int x. Int y. Curly brace. Turn x plus y. Semicolon. So it did it perfectly.